Are you tired of lumpy smoothies, uneven nut butters, or blenders that give up after a year? This Vitamix Ascent X3 professional grade blender is here to revolutionize your kitchen game. This premium blender, part of Vitamix's cutting-edge Ascent X series, combines sleek design, unmatched power, and smart technology to deliver professional-grade results every time. Whether you're blending velvety smoothies, steaming hot soups, or creamy frozen desserts, the Ascent X3 is your ticket to culinary perfection. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this blender is worth every penny, diving into its standout features, real-world performance, and why it's a must-have for home chefs. Ready to elevate your blending experience? Let's dive in. Why the Vitamix Ascent X3 stands out. The Vitamix Ascent X3 isn't just another blender. It's a kitchen companion designed to make your life easier, healthier, and tastier. With a 48-ounce container, 3 pre-programmed settings, and a 10-year warranty, it's built to handle everything from small-batch smoothies to family-sized soups. Its self-detect technology and digital timer take the guesswork out of blending, while its sleek shadow black design adds a touch of sophistication to any countertop. But what makes it truly special? Let's break down the features and benefits that set this blender apart from the competition. Key features that make the Ascent X3 a game-changer. Powerful 2.2 HP motor. Pulverizes tough ingredients like frozen fruits, nuts, and ice in seconds, delivering silky smooth results. 3 pre-programmed settings. Dedicated modes for smoothies, frozen desserts, and hot soups ensure consistent, walk-away convenience. Self-cleaning program. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, hit the clean button, and your blender is spotless in under a minute. 48-ounce BPA-free container. Perfect for 1 to 4 servings, with a narrow design that excels at low-volume blends like nut butters or single smoothies. Variable speed control and pulse. Fine-tuned textures for everything from chunky salsas to creamy purees with precision. Self-detect technology. Automatically adjusts settings based on container size, ensuring optimal performance for every task. Digital timer. Tracks blending time for manual recipes, so you never over or under blend. Tamper holder. Keeps your tamper within reach, snapping neatly onto the motor base for clutter-free storage. Built-in wireless connectivity. Seamlessly pairs with compatible self-detect containers for a customized blending system. Digital recipe book. Includes 30-plus chef-crafted recipes tailored for the Ascent X series, from smoothies to dips. Real-world performance. Blending like a pro. To see if the Vitamix Ascent X3 lives up to the hype, we put it through its paces with real kitchen tasks. Spoiler alert. It delivered beyond expectations. Smoothie perfection. We blended a mix of frozen berries, kale, chia seeds, and almond milk using the smoothie program. In just 60 seconds, the result was a velvety, seed-free smoothie with no gritty texture. Unlike cheaper blenders, the Ascent X3 didn't leave chunks or require mid-blend stirring. Nut butter mastery. Making almond butter can be a blender's downfall, but the X3 handled 2 cups of roasted almonds with ease. Using the tamper and variable speed, we achieved a creamy, pourable consistency in under 3 minutes. No overheating, no stalling. Hot soup in minutes. The hot soup program turned roasted veggies, broth, and cashews into a steaming, restaurant-quality soup in 6 minutes. The friction-heated blades brought it to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for serving straight from the pitcher. Frozen desserts done right. We whipped up a mango sorbet using frozen fruit and a touch of agave. The frozen dessert program delivered a creamy, scoopable texture that rivaled store-bought treats. Who's the Vitamix Ascent X3 for? The Vitamix Ascent X3 is perfect for health-conscious foodies. If you love nutrient-packed smoothies, homemade nut milks, or plant-based recipes, this blender makes healthy eating effortless. Busy home cooks. The pre-programmed settings and self-cleaning feature save time for those with packed schedules. Culinary enthusiasts. Aspiring chefs and recipe experimenters will appreciate the variable speed and pulse functions for precise control. Small households. The 48-ounce container is ideal for 1 to 4 servings, perfect for couples, small families, or solo cooks. Tech-savvy users, wireless connectivity and self-detect technology appeal to those who love smart kitchen gadgets. Why choose the Vitamix Ascent X3? Unlike budget blenders that burn out or leave chunks in your smoothies, the Vitamix Ascent X3 delivers consistent, professional-grade results. Its 10-year warranty guarantees peace of mind, while the self-cleaning program and compact design make it a practical choice for busy kitchens. Whether you're blending for health, convenience, or creativity, this blender is a game-changer. Plus, with 30-plus recipes in the included digital recipe book, you'll never run out of inspiration. Final verdict: a blender that's worth every penny. The Vitamix Ascent X3 Professional Grade Blender is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Its powerful motor, smart features, and durable design make it the ultimate tool for smoothies, soups, frozen desserts, and beyond. Whether you're a health nut, a busy parent, or a culinary adventurer, this blender delivers unmatched versatility and ease. Don't settle for subpar blending. Invest in a machine that's built to last and designed to impress. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make the Vitamix Ascent X3 yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.